Managing tasks and projects can be really challenging when your team's working in different locations. Fortunately, Microsoft 365 Planner has a central hub for everyone to share files securely, create plans, check on progress, and to assign and organize tasks to different people. The key advantage of Planner over other task management apps is integration. Planner has all the efficiency you'd expect from the Microsoft ecosystem and works impressively with Outlook, SharePoint, and Teams. Its interface is simple, but shows all the key information on projects completed and the ones in progress. Members will see their group automatically in Outlook, along with notifications of assigned tasks and new plans. Planner is included with all Business 365 subscriptions as standard. Let us help you get your team working better together. Get in touch today.